Hi, I'm Diane Dixon, Mayor of Newport Beach, and I'd like to invite you all to come out to our beautiful public art sculpture garden. 14 acres of beautiful open space filled with walking paths and artwork.
Stephen Rieman uses the title Chairman of the Board to clue you in on the subject of this frisky kinetic work, a surfer in a state of both wildness and balance on a great swooping wave. With dozens of works installed across Southern California's desert parks and communities, Rieman shows his love for great outdoors in everything he produces.
The City of Newport Beach is very proud of the sculpture garden, and it's for all to enjoy, from art to rabbits. Please come and enjoy the ocean view scenery and beautiful art. Thank you.